Good afternoon and welcome to the last day of Kisikis. On behalf of Mayor John Ponte Alvarez, I would like to thank Honorable Congressman of 6th District, Mercedes P. Alvarez, and Honorable Board Member of 4th District, Jobel Alonso, for attending our event, our final performance of the year. I would like to thank ang mga SPs natin and ang mga punong barangay natin for always thinking about Ilog and all the Ilognons. No? Without them, it will be good light sa atin, no? Para mag-celebrate sa Kisi-Kisi natin, ang ating Talaga Festival, and ang recently, ang first ever lechon tasting contest sa Agro Fair natin. No? On behalf of Mayor John Ponte Alvarez, I hope na everyone here enjoys ang performances ng ating 5 katribo. No? So, I declare this Kisi-Kisi showdown open. Thank you very much.
Right, so thank you very much, Mr. John Paulo M. Alvarez.